Creating a fully automated YouTube channel using AI may seem like the ultimate shortcut. However, it's not as simple as pushing a few buttons and watching the money roll in. While automation tools can help streamline many aspects of the process, they are not a substitute for human creativity. The key to success is finding the right balance between automation and creativity. AI can assist in script writing, video creation, and voiceovers. Still, it's your unique touch that will make the content successful. Over-reliance on AI tools can lead to a lack of originality and connection with your audience. In this guide, we'll explain how to set up a fully automated YouTube channel using AI while injecting your unique touch to make it successful. Step 1. Choose your niche and content strategy. Empower yourself by selecting a niche that resonates with your passion and expertise and is in demand. This is the cornerstone of creating a fully automated YouTube channel. Not all niches are suitable for faceless videos, so choosing one that can be effectively presented through visuals, voiceovers, and data is crucial. This choice is yours, and it's a powerful one that puts you in control of your content and your channel's direction. Good niches for faceless videos include tech and gadget reviews, educational and tutorial content, top 10 lists or compilation videos, finance and investment advice, productivity hacks or self-development. It's a misconception that new creators must blindly follow trends to succeed. The key to longevity is choosing a niche that aligns with your passion, knowledge, and current demand. You don't have to jump on the latest YouTube trend to grow. Many evergreen topics continue to attract views over time. A balance between what excites you and what audiences search for will give your channel longevity and make automation easier. TubeMagic does a great job of finding these niches and keywords to help a YouTube channel grow. Step 2. Automate script writing using AI tools. With your niche selected, it's time to create content. Scripting can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of running a YouTube channel. Still, AI tools like TubeMagic and ChatGPT can handle this task, saving you valuable time and effort. To begin automating the script process, choose a video topic. For example, if you're running a tech channel, your video might be titled Top 5 Budget Laptops for 2024. Use TubeMagic or ChatGPT to generate a script. Prompt the tool with your topic, and the tool will ask for a structured script that includes an introduction, main points, and a conclusion. Edit the script for flow and clarity. While AI can give you a solid foundation, reading through and making necessary adjustments is still crucial to ensure the information is accurate and flows well. Many creators fear automation will lead to low-quality content that viewers won't enjoy. However, combining AI-generated scripts with your creativity and unique insights allows you to create high-quality videos faster without sacrificing value. This balance between automation and creativity is not a compromise but a source of inspiration for your content creation journey, motivating you to explore new ways to enhance your content. Step 3. Automate video creation with InVideo AI. After you have your script, the next step is to turn it into an entirely produced video without needing to be on camera or hire expensive video editors. This is where InVideo comes in. InVideo is a tool that can create engaging videos from scripts by combining stock footage, images, text overlays, and music with a few clicks. Here's how you can automate video creation with InVideo. Copy and paste your script into the InVideo editor. Choose a video template that fits your content style, such as tech review or educational tutorial. Allow InVideo to match relevant stock footage and visuals to your script automatically. The tool uses AI to understand the context of your script. It suggests appropriate media to create a professional-looking video. Adjust or add any custom elements to make the video unique. While automation can handle the bulk of the work, adding a personal touch with specific images, text, or visuals can elevate the video. This is where creativity and automation meet. While InVideo can handle the technical side of video production, your job is to ensure the final result resonates with your audience. You can add a personal touch by selecting visuals that reflect your style or by choosing a voiceover that matches the tone of your channel. For instance, you can add a personal introduction to the video or include a unique sign-off at the end. The contrarian take here is that AI doesn't eliminate the need for creativity. It simplifies the process so you can focus on delivering better content. InVideo AI can also take a script and create an entire video. It will provide an AI voiceover. InVideo AI can also clone your own voice and use it to narrate a video. This removes hours of work so you can focus on content and creativity. Step 4. Use AI for voiceovers and background music. One of the biggest hurdles for faceless YouTube channels is narration. You should avoid recording your voice or being concerned about hiring a voice actor. Luckily, AI can handle this too. InVideo AI, Descript, and Synthesia are great tools for generating high-quality voiceovers from the text. Here's how you can automate the voiceover process. Use InVideo AI, Descript, or Synthesia to convert your script into a natural-sounding voiceover. These tools offer a variety of voice styles and accents, so you can select one that matches the tone of your channel. InVideo AI can use a recording of your voice and clone it as a voiceover. Pair your voiceover with royalty-free background music, which you can also automate. Tools like InVideo AI, Epidemic Sound, or Artlist allow you to search for music that fits the mood of your video. Sync the voiceover with the visuals created in InVideo, ensuring the pacing is smooth and engaging. The software will sync if the voiceover is made using InVideo AI. Many creators think using AI for voiceovers makes their videos feel robotic or impersonal. However, AI voices have become incredibly lifelike. It's essential to be transparent with your audience about using AI in your videos. This transparency is about being honest with your viewers and respecting the work that goes into creating content. Combined with well-curated music and visuals, viewers won't notice that the voiceover was generated by AI, giving you the confidence that your content is high quality. Step 5. Optimize for YouTube's algorithm using TubeMagic. Automation is also about optimizing your content for YouTube's algorithm. This includes titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails, which are critical for discovering your videos. TubeMagic is an all-in-one AI tool designed to help with this. To fully automate your optimization, use TubeMagic to generate title and thumbnail ideas based on high-performing keywords in your niche. Automatically generate SEO-friendly descriptions and tags to improve discoverability. TubeMagic analyzes trending topics and searches to give your videos the best chance of ranking. Use TubeMagic's Thumbnail Creator to design visually appealing thumbnails that increase click-through rates. You can select from AI-generated templates or add your touches using tools like Canva. The contrarian view is that while many creators believe optimizing their videos requires massive research and effort, AI tools like TubeMagic simplify the process, allowing them to focus on creating more content instead of getting bogged down by SEO. Step 6. Monetize your channel through ads and affiliate marketing. Once you've set up your fully automated YouTube channel, the next step is to monetize it. The primary methods are YouTube AdSense and affiliate marketing. Here's how to get started with monetization. YouTube AdSense. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility criteria, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning ad revenue. This income stream will be passive, meaning you'll earn money while your videos generate views over time. Affiliate marketing. This is where the real earnings potential lies for many YouTubers. You can promote products related to your niche by including affiliate links in your video descriptions. Tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ can help you find popular products to promote. For example, if you're running a tech review channel, you could sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or promote specific software tools you mention in your videos. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Step 7. Focus on consistency and engagement. Finally, consistency is one of the most important aspects of running a successful YouTube channel, whether automated or not. Posting regularly and engaging with your audience will help build your subscriber base and increase viewer retention. While automation makes the production process faster and more efficient, you still need to invest time in responding to comments, creating community posts, and maintaining a consistent upload schedule. TubeMagic and Hootsuite can help you schedule videos and posts. Still, it's essential to maintain a human touch to keep your audience engaged. Balancing automation with creativity. The idea of fully automating a YouTube channel might sound like a dream come true, but it's not a complete hands-off process. Automation tools can handle much of the heavy lifting, but it's up to you to inject creativity and unique insights that resonate with viewers. By balancing AI-generated scripts, videos, and voiceovers with your personal touch and a strategic content plan, you can build a fully automated YouTube channel that attracts subscribers and generates income, even without experience.